Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you I built out a Canva PDF editor directly in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the fully fledged Canva like PDF editor. We're running it in browser. So this is the full directory structure of it. It's built inside CSS. These are all the JavaScript files. And this is the main file index.html. So I've written this code from scratch, line by line. So if you need this, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. And let me just show you the demo first of all. So you come to the editor, you simply select your PDF file. After the PDF file gets loaded, it shows you directly, and you basically see total number of pages. You can read it, zoom in, zoom out. So these are all the basic controls which are there. And now comes the main part. So right here, this is a select tool. This is the tool for adding text. Just click on the location wherever you need to add the text. You can even change the color, size, everything you can control right here. It's fully customizable. You can annotate it as well, highlight, annotate, go to the next page. This time I want to use this draw tool. You can increase the thing as well. You can see, you can change the color as well. So after you make the changes, you can click this download button and all the changes will be saved. You will see that. So we also have the option to actually add images. So you click the insert image button. So if you want to add image, you can even do that as well. So just click the location wherever you need to add this. So again click download and all the changes will be saved. And it will be a good project for you guys. It will save you a lot of time. If you are looking forward for building a complete PDF editor with all these functionalities, then this will be a great project for you. It will be easy for you to deploy this as well. So we have used quite a number of free libraries for building this. So every file is written directly, as you can see. This is the main file. It's almost 1,000 lines of code. And now if you also want to hide something, you can use this tool, which is just drag. So this will be able to remove anything from the PDF file, or if you want to hide this section, you can use this tool. This is the whiteout tool that we are using. Then this is the eraser. So this is the eraser tool that you can see we are using. You can click any of these elements to remove it. And you can select these pages on the left hand side as well. So you can reorder the pages as well, realign the positioning by simply dragging the pages. And you can select this page. You can even rotate the page as well. So all these controls are there, as you can see. You can select the page. If you don't want this page, you can click delete. So this will actually delete this page. So if you also want to extract only this page, you can click the extract button. So it will actually download the PDF file with this single page. And then we also have the split operator as well. So if you click the split button, you need to specify the range and then you can split a long PDF file as well. So this is quite a number of operations which are available in a single application, as you can see. So we also have the ability to actually add form elements as well. So this is actually a checkbox that you see. This is a radio button. So if you want to fill out forms as well, then this you can even put your signature as well. So you can just see here. You can add this field here. Just name it anything what you want. Let's suppose. So whenever you print this PDF file right here, the people can sign it. Then we also have the control for taking dates, as you can see. So we have all these form fields which are there. So this is for highlighting, as you can see. And then we also have this section for filling out forms as well. So if you click the fill button, so right here you will be able to fill out. If you have a form like field, then you can easily fill out. So you have the second section available for you, which is fill. So right here you will simply select the any PDF file which contains form fields. So something like this. So right here you can easily fill out these things directly, as you can just see. So if you have a PDF file which contains form elements, then you can easily do this by using this editor. Simply click on the form field and you can easily fill out. So if you're interested guys in this Canva like PDF editor, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the source code, and I have shown you all the features which are available on this, and you can directly purchase it.